In this question, you're given e power x plus e power y is equal to e power of x plus y. You're asked to prove that dy by dx is of this form minus e power y minus x. So if you do the direct differentiation, you'll get dy by dx in some other form. So let us do this question directly and by some other method. So if you do the differentiation directly with respect to x, you get e power x plus e power y dy by dx is equal to, so what is the differentiation of this? E power x plus y times the differentiation of x plus y is 1 plus dy by dx. So if you bring the dy by dx terms onto one side, so you get dy by dx times e power y minus of e power x plus y, right? Dy by dx into e power x plus y if it comes onto this side. E power y minus e power x plus y is equal to e power x plus y minus e to the power x. This implies dy by dx times e power y times 1 minus e power x. If you take e power y common is equal to, here if you take e power x common, get e power y minus 1. This implies dy by dx is equal to e to the power x times e power y minus 1 by e power y times 1 minus e to the power x, right? So that is equal to, but you have to bring dy by dx to the form which is given here. So what can you write about e power y minus 1 and 1 minus e power x? You have to see whether you can actually simplify these expressions. So we can use the original equation. So from the original equation, you can see that if you bring e power y onto this side, e power x is equal to e power x plus y minus e power y. That is e power y times e power x minus 1. So e power y times e power x minus 1 is e power x. So e power y times 1 minus e power x. E power y times 1 minus e power x will be equal to minus e power x, right? And e power x times e power y minus 1. To find this, so let us send e power x onto this side. So if you do a different simplification, e power y is equal to e power x plus y minus e power x. That is e power x times e power y minus 1. So e power x times e power y minus 1 is equal to e power y. So that is equal to minus of e power y minus x. Hence proved. So if you do the differentiation directly, this is how you prove this. So let us see a second method also, slightly more intuitive method where you can get answer more easily. So in this second method, what I do is I'll divide both sides with e power x plus y. Divide LHS and RHS by e power x plus y. So what happens if you do this? So if I divide e power x by e power x plus y, you get e power minus y plus e power minus x is equal to 1. Now do the differentiation. So minus e power minus y times dy by dx minus e power minus x minus, that is e power minus x into minus 1 is equal to, the differentiation of constant is 0. This implies dy by dx is equal to minus e power minus x by e power minus y, which is equal to minus of e power y minus x. Got the same expression. So in the second method, you get the same derivation in a very few steps, but the first method can also be done. So it depends on what you like to do. So in both methods, you got the final dy by dx is equal to minus e power y minus x.